this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at the latest design in the 2026 Afghan Club. This is called the Shells Counterpane. So a counterpane is essentially a bedspread or an embroidered quilt. I looked it up online to be sure of what the definition is. And this is based on a bit of a vintage knitting pattern, which was actually also called Shells Counterpane. When I looked it up online, it appeared that the individual shell motifs were knitted and then sewn together. And again, it was quite a vintage pattern, so from probably the 1800s or something. But this is my crocheted version of that, and it is worked in rows. Basically, it's an 8-row repeat, and so there is no sewing or any seaming happening. So we're not making motifs or shells and sewing them together. It's simply worked in rows back and forth. And of course, these are short rows that you work. And this is worked with half double crochet. We also have some triple crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet used in this pattern, plus some slip stitches. The edging was done with half double slip stitch and back loops only. And it is pretty much a reversible texture, almost identical on both sides. I would say this is definitely the right side of the blanket, just because we have a bit of a ribbed edging at the top of each of the shells. You can make this blanket to any dimensions, any width, any length. I made it quite a nice, generous baby blanket size, and I used an H-hook or 5mm with DK weight yarn for the sample. Turned out quite pretty, and of course I did stripes, so I alternated between linen, and the color was called linen. This was a peachy pink, and then maybe you can't see it, but this is like a teal color. It looks kind of navy sometimes, but it is a teal. So really pretty combination. Of course, you can also do this in a solid color if you don't want to change colors. It looks really pretty in neutrals or lighter colors as well. You can really see the stitch definition and texture. So I just finished filming a demo, so a stitch demo, just with a solid color. And so this will be linked in the written pattern, so it'll help you if you're not confident with reading patterns, or you just want extra help visually. This is fully demonstrated in the demo video that'll be linked in the pattern. So again, this pattern, Shells Counterpane, is in the 2026 Afghan Club, and also available separately on Etsy and Ravelry. I will put the link to the pattern and the Afghan Club in the description box.